let's get you started with N8N in less than 2 seconds. Hyperbole, of course. You have two options in this video. The first and foremost, the easiest way is to just go to the first link in the description, N8N.io, and you can just get started immediately. The caveat is you'll pay more because you'll be using their hosting service instead of the alternative, which is self-hosted, which we are going to use Hostinger to do so. It's what I use personally for my agency because I don't have to worry about the compute or any maintenance and all that other stuff aside from just updating our instance of N8N. But realistically, if you want to go through them, you can, or you can just go through Hostinger. I'm going to show you how to do it through Hostinger because it's the better option. In the long run, you'll save more money and you'll have your own server, which is really cool. So go to the second link in the description and we will be here. From here, if you just go up to services, they have an option to just instantly run N8N right here. Very simple. So you just click that and it looks like they have 61% off. Look at that pricing, $6.99 a month compared to $24 a month. Oh my goodness. So we're going to claim that deal. And yeah, KVM2 is what I have. It's what I would recommend. You can look at the specs that you get there. So we're just going to choose this bad boy right there. So once you are at this page, put in your payment information and actually just do like 1 month. I mean, you can do, you'll save more depending on how serious you are. Do like 12 months, but we'll do 1 month here. And yeah, you only need N8N. You don't need any of this other stuff here. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll continue there. Sign up, pay, and you now have an instance of N8N. So let me sign in real quick to my thing here. So once you sign up, you will, oh my goodness, my apologies. So once you sign up, this is your Hostinger dashboard. You'll see that we have our VPS system here from which we can manage. So if we just manage there, we can update, change stuff all from here, which I have videos in the community or on my YouTube channel, depending on where you're watching this, on updating your instance of N8N here. But really, all you need to do is just click on this manage app and that will bring you to N8N, from which you will need to create an account. If you've never created an account on your server, you'll need to do that first. Very easy. Username, password, boom. And then, yeah, N8N. So then you can follow along with all the tutorials on this channel. You can go into the community, get all the workflows and all the fun stuff from there. Very quick video. Ow, I just hurt my hand, punched my desk. Cool, awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.